making that up. I think you're making that point up.
On him. How on earth did he put that into the Quran? At the time,
You're making that up.
didn't agree with this. Let me ask you another question. Embryology. When
It's wrong in the Quran. It's wrong in the
Quran.
Quran.
Where does that come from? Science, right? We can test it with science. We believe in embryology because of science.
There's nothing about an egg in the
How
Quran.
about if the Quran actually tells you that when the semen meets the egg,
It doesn't mention
it
the
forms
egg.
a clot.
It doesn't mention the egg in the Quran. It doesn't mention it.
And when the clot then goes into the womb, it hangs.
Show me. It doesn't mention the egg in the Quran.
It hangs inside the womb. Only now recently, the 2 decades ago, 20 years ago, have we found out that this is the case. How can a man in the desert 1400 years ago, who didn't want money, who didn't want women,
He also said semen becomes between the backbone and
all
the
he
ribs.
says,
He also makes
said
total
these
scientific errors.
today science agrees with this theory.
And he made
Folks,
other errors
I'm
on
gonna
the same
conclude
theory.
by saying, please do come to me. I'm going to step off the ladder now. I'm going to take questions, and I'm also going to give you some material. Come forward and please ask me about this. Dougie is babbling on about how it doesn't say this and it doesn't say that. He's a Christian, unfortunately. He believes that everybody, we don't know how, but he believes that everybody before Jesus, get this is what Christians believe. I don't know what you make of this, but God made humanity, he made people decided to do wrong. God, the all-knowing, the all-powerful, decided that as a result, because he didn't envisage this obviously, he decided to send his own son to earth to correct that which he had already sent because they got it wrong. Does anybody make sense of that? Raise your hands. Even he doesn't agree with me.
You've twisted it. You've twisted it. That's why I don't agree.
Folks, what does 1 + 1 + 1 make?
3. Depends on what field you're working in.
Try that again. What does 1 + 1 + 1 make?
Depends on what field you're
And if
working
you're a
in.
Christian, what does 1 + 1 + 1 make?
3 persons.
One.
3 persons.
No.
One
Get
God.
this.
3 persons.
1 + 1 makes 3
3
persons.
persons. 1 God. 3 persons. 1 God.
If you have 3 iPhones, what does that put together make?
Collection of
One
iPhones.
Sony Ericsson, apparently according to him. Folks, وأقول قولي هذا فاستغفروه إنه هو الغفور الرحيم. Thank you very much for your time and listening to me. Please do come forward and ask me questions. I will answer publicly and not privately. Thank you very much. Please do step forward.